Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we're continuing on with our Meet the Manufacturer series with Huong, Vietnamese, instant noodles. This is Huong artificial pork flavor. Right, like so. And in Vietnamese it says Me Thit Ho. There's one language that I know absolutely nothing about. I will be the first to admit that. But anyways, what I do know is instant noodles, and I will let you know what I think of them. I have a feeling this will be a flavor that kind of confuses me. There's like pork flavor that comes from like Thailand and Vietnam, and I'm like, okay, what dish is this based off of? You know what I mean? Is it just pork soup? And I don't know. I just don't. I don't know. I don't understand. And I want to understand. Big time. Because, I mean, the thing that really got me by the ears and just like went, hey, gave me a good shaking, was going to Asia. And when I was over there, I had a lot of Thai food, a lot of Taiwanese food, a lot of Malaysian food. I've had plenty of Singaporean food, but as far as Vietnamese food goes, I'm pretty much pho. You know, I've had I remember one time there was a pho restaurant in downtown Everett, Washington. Me and a friend of mine were out drinking, and then we went there like right when the guy was closing, and he locked up as we walked in and said, I'm going to give you a lesson in pho. And it was like the coolest thing. He like just sat us down and told us about how he does the broth. It was really cool. My buddy'd never had it, and he was just like, I had no idea this food existed. And you know, there's something to be said about discovering new food. It's like a wake up. I mean, it's a really cool deal. I enjoy it thoroughly. That's why I love travel. I being in one spot for too long drives me nuts. But you know. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's slap the lid on. Wow, did I don't know if I told you the story. If I have, I apologize, but I don't think, I think that was Friday. Yeah. I don't remember. Maybe I did. Anyways, 3 minutes on the timer. Add everything in. And 350 mils of water. Cover it for 3 minutes. So I was out walking, I think it was Friday. I'll bet you I've already told you the story, but anyways. So this guy just starts yelling and harassing me, and I didn't know that it was really me he was yelling at, but it ended up being me he was yelling at. I got a red track jacket, red sweatpants, red t-shirt, red hat. So he decides that I'm like a gang member. I'm wearing gang colors, and it's like 1994. And I'm like, no. But he was yelling all sorts of stuff at me, and finally I was just like, wow, what a jerk. So I let him what I thought of that. Yeah, I did tell you because I mentioned how he like that guy stopped dead in his tracks. He was like blah 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 blah. I'm like, hey, you know. That was it. He shut up. But I didn't tell you because I haven't done a review since then. But on Saturday, my lovely wife Kit and I took the big walking route that I do. The way we did it last Sunday, and we did it backwards, and I got like a horrible sunburn. This way we did it forwards, which means at the beginning of it, it's steep. I mean, it's steep and long. You've got basically like about 30 minutes straight uphill, and then you're done. The rest of it's pretty smooth sailing. But yeah, it was. She did it. I'm just like so amazed by her. It took me so long to work up to that. Not just that though. I'm got limited eyesight, so a lot of the working up was like, okay, I'm gonna try crossing this street. I've got my daughter with me. I think I can do it. Now it's like I can cross streets no sweat most of the time, but new areas freak me out. But I just wish it was. I've explored this area pretty thoroughly. I need to go down that way. I need to go like way down 68th Avenue. But if you keep going and going and going and going, you get to Kirkland. So I might do that soon. I don't know. On and done. Let's see what we got here. So I went to the store today and I got a couple things for doing these 2 reviews I'm doing. Unfortunately, they didn't have any mung bean sprouts. They didn't have any mung bean sprouts yesterday either. The mung bean sprouts they seem to have lately. They've got, so let's say, today's the 18th. The mung bean sprouts are going to go back on the 20th. They're like the expiration date is the 20th. Which means they're probably not going to be all that great on the 20th. They're going to be kind of slimy. And on the 19th, they're going to be just about done. So I almost got a bag of them at 99 Ranch Market. And they had them there, but it was packed. I didn't want to wait 45 minutes in line. I don't understand this flavor, and I like it. Don't get me wrong. Got a nice spiciness. Almost kind of a weird mustardiness. I just don't understand this flavor, and it is definitely. I need to learn a lot more about Vietnamese food because it's really important to me to understand all these flavors. But here we are. The broth isn't bad. It's a tricky one though, because I mean, look, there's the broth and there's the noodle. I don't know exactly how to do this up in a way that makes it a little more nice. Possibly a smaller bowl, but I'm going to add a bunch to this, so maybe it'll be a side that has broth, a side that doesn't. Eggy wigs. Definitely going to have eggs going on. Just made these this morning. Oh, she's laughing. That's a good sign. I like it when my kids laugh. ground pork. That was at the store this morning, which is a good thing because I saw it in the serving suggestion. At least I'm pretty darn sure that's what it was on the front of the package. I've got some basil. Yeah, we really don't need this long stem, I don't think. So there's some basil. They call it Thai basil, at least in the store I go to. And there's some coriander. Go. Some onion. And it came with a little bit of spicy. I'm gonna add some of this Shabe sambal chili sauce. This is from the last Meet the Manufacturer I did with ABC. So, yeah, that's good. What do you think? Are we good? Sesame seeds? I don't know. I like sesame seeds. I'm calling it good. I don't want to overdo it and make it look silly, which I may have already done thus far, but it's good to know. Just for you to know that your friendly neighborhood ramen raider is experimenting all the time. So here's some tunes, and enjoy. I'm going to have some caffeine. Snazzy, snazzy, snazzy! Thanks to the folks over at Huong Food, and makers of Huong. And yeah, this is neat. And I'm having fun doing all these Vietnamese reviews. This is a nice change. All right. Well, hey, have a good one. Enjoy your instant noodles every day. And yeah, stay safe. Bye.